Welcome my friend. Today we are going to back to Vietmanager for study an NG problem when we using Excel file. As you can see that on my screen now, I suddenly open my Excel file and cannot open because it informed to me that I have an error with my Excel file. For detail, you can see that when I open my file, the Excel informs that Excel was able to open the file because replacing or removing the unreadable content, and they also show to you the record log file here. And also you can see that my problem here is drawing that my file Excel now cannot showing drawing shape, and other problems same with this problem you can study later. So now, why this problem happened? I try to study many times, but I cannot find the way. So based on my experience, below is the key point lead to this problem. Okay, now we come to a root cause. When this problem happen, you know that in the office we have many people, they are working on unchecked sheet. For example, two members here, when they finish the job, they will copy and paste some photo into the Excel file for report something. Also, she is same. She copy and paste photo in the Excel file. Also, he copy and sometimes he paste some data or some formula something in the Excel file. And after this Excel file was summary by many people and many formula, and finally, after someone removes some content or cannot link to the original Excel textsheet, your textsheet version will become error and inform to you like this. So now how we take solution, right? I will using another software to open and solving this problem. And now we are going to study step by step for solving this problem by using OpenOffice. Before going to step by step for this solving problem, I will show example actor to you first. For example, you have an original text sheet here, then you have the data wording here. And before you closing this Excel file, you need input your information to another text sheet belong to your top management something. Then you will copy this file and go into your top management file. For example, here is your top management file. Then you come here and you paste something here. For example, you paste here to report for your top. So you can see that when you go into the data here and click as edit link, you can see that your photo here has the link picture because you copy and paste in here, including the original link. Now, because you would like to remove this link, so you will go to edit link and then you click in break link. For example, like this, and close. Then you save thing and you close this file. But 1 week later, when you come back your file here, you can see that my file now is around 20.9 MB. But when I open this file, it happened error. Here you can see that Microsoft Excel inform notification to users this workbook has problem, and they request you click yes if you want to recover this file. You click on yes, and now you can see that this Excel file informed to users Excel were able to open this file because repairing or removing the unreadable content. It means now on your picture you already paste here disappear away, and now no way to recover this file. Okay, now your file still have data, but when you open you cannot see the picture. So I will using OpenOffice to support us solving this problem. Next, you must go to Google, search and you will searching OpenOffice. Then you come to the OpenOffice website here. Then select the version that's matching with your Windows version, and then install this software. After finish this software, you will receive the software on your screen. Then now I will open this software. When I open this software, it will have a text document, same with document of Microsoft. Spreadsheet same as Excel. Presentation same as Microsoft PowerPoint, and so on. But now my purpose is to recover this error Excel file, so I will go into open here. I will click here, and I will move to the location of my Excel file ng here. I will click here and I open this. Okay, now we're waiting OpenOffice open. Please remember that because my file around 21 megabytes, so this file will open slowly. But please waiting. Okay, after OpenOffice software finish open my Excel file here, you can see that my picture still available in the text. So that is why here still notification to you that my file around 21 megabytes. So if you delete this file before you try to recover this file by another text, it will become a big mistake. But now, after using OpenOffice software to open, I can open, and now I will go to the file here and select the Save As. After going to Save As here, you can see that OpenOffice have your original extension file here, but please don't select this version. You need change to, for example, Microsoft Office Excel 97 2000. And the extension will be .xls. For example, I will input new name here, Excel file ng. Now become OK. Then I will saving. Now OpenOffice will ask you keep current format or save in ODF format. You select keep current format. OK, and waiting saving. Okay, it's still warning to you that your file has problem, but the lucky will happen when we'll come back to new Excel file. Just click OK here. Okay, I can close it. Okay, you can see that here is a file I just repaired by OpenOffice. Now I will open by Excel. Yes, very lucky. Now your Excel can open this file. And your image still here. So based on this image here, you will start going to repair your Excel file based on information here. So please remember that this solution is not fix your Excel file 100%, but it can support you to recover as much as possible your Excel file information. And based on all information here, you can going to repair this file by manual. And just once again compare with original ng file here. You can see that with the original Excel file ng here, no any picture. Sometimes you lost some wording here. But after using OpenOffice to support, now we already get some recover information. And your job now is just come here and check again, then repair. So I hope that this solution can support you to recover as much as possible your data, saving your time to repair and collect all information again. It is not a good way because it cannot recover 100% your ng Excel file, but it will support you recover all data in your Excel file, and based on the information, you will start to repair your Excel file or collect all information here to new Excel file checksheet. Thank you so much.